Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make salsa.
Alright, some Mexican authentic salsa. So first we're gonna start with
Pickles?
nope, jalapenos. It's peppers,
I'm not gonna eat them.
not pickles. So we're gonna add jalapenos, tomatoes, and actually today I'm adding those little onions in there. So what you want to do first, guys, is boil everything. After everything is boiled, we're gonna toss them into this.
This should smell good.
We're gonna toss them into this blender.
All of it?
Putting everything in there. Be careful that you don't drop them on the ground. Boing.
We should do it when I'm doing
Alright, we kind of speeded up the process here and we threw everything in there already. So, that's what that looks like.
I just leave the water.
The water, actually, we're going to add it into this so that it's not super thick and to make it a little bit, not super watery, but a little bit not too thick. Alright guys, we have everything inside the blender. So make sure you put everything in your blender. Brianna's eating the cilantro. So here we have cilantro and we have onion. You can use whatever onion you want. I'm using a yellow onion. Also, I know Brianna's here helping me, but I'm the one that's actually cutting the onion and using everything else. So here, Bri, hold this. So face it here. To get, I was gonna show you how to get it like this actually, but you just have to dice up your onion. So you dice up your onion, you chop up your cilantro, and after this is done, where's the lid at? After this is done, then you throw it into your salsa and just mix it up with a spoon. Alright guys, so actually before you start to blend it up, we're gonna throw some garlic salt in there. Doesn't matter what brand.
Just garlic.
Yeah, it's up to you. I'm just gonna add like that. That's usually to everyone's preference. And now we are ready to blend it up.
And which one?
Doesn't matter.
Mix.
Alright, mixed it up.
Whoa.
So it looks like.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells a little hot. You want to smell it?
No. I can actually smell it from here.
Yeah? Are you
good.
It does.
But
Okay,
it's just hot.
so why don't we get a spoon and just taste it real quick?
You can. I'm not eating the pepper.
I'm not gonna eat it either. Alright.
You sure you're not gonna eat it either?
It has an after taste of very hot sauce. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of this because it's a little bland. And we're gonna mix that up again.
Yep. So if it's just make sure it tastes good as we say it, how it's supposed to taste, then you're gonna be good.
Alright, mix it up. Alright.
Oh, that's a lot. Smell good?
It does smell good. It does smell a little hot.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Better? Your face. Bad?
I think it's good. I think it might need a little bit more, but
We're just gonna leave it.
I like to add a lot of salt to my stuff, so everybody else might not like too much salt. So we're just gonna leave it like that.
And we might do another video of it so that we can see how the other way is.
Yeah, actually, if you want, this is kind of like light green or a little reddish, actually. I'm not even sure what kind of color that is.
Orange.
So that is because if you want to learn how to make green salsa, then leave us a comment.
Tuned.
Yep, leave us a comment and then we will show you on the next video.
Yep.
Do not hit it again, especially when this is when it's not closed, because you don't want salsa everywhere, all over your face.
It was the off button.
I know. But anyways, oh yeah, so after that's done, guys, you want to add your cilantro in your mouth. Or
and also the blender.
Or into that, and then your onion into there. Do not blend it up. All you're gonna do is grab a spoon, mix it up.
Oh.
Grab a bowl. Mix it up. All right, we're gonna add it
Into a cup.
into this cup. Let me see.
A fancy cup. The sound.
There we go, guys. So, there you have some salsa. Get yourself some tortilla chips. And voila.
Yep.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yep.
So, thanks guys for watching.
Subscribe, thumbs up, and look for another videos. And we might do another one. And we might do another well done. Anytime you guys do that. So thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.